Hello guys, and welcome back to another remote Sunday. If you are joining us for the first time, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is talk about remote job opportunities. Also, I talk about several other ways to make money online. So if this is your area of interest, like this video so that you can get to see more video like this one. Also subscribe so that you can become family with us. Without further ado, let us jump into the video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make $1,250 per month doing this simple thing online. The best news is that you don't need any experience to get started, nor do you need any interview. So what is this all about? We are getting there. Now, there is a link in my video description. Click on the link and it will bring you to this website. When you get to this website, you will see that this website is all about books. Right? This is how you make money from this website. So if you are a good storyteller, you have the potential to make a lot of money from this website. Wait, I did not say if you are not a writer, you cannot make money from this website. If you are not a writer, wait till the end of this video. I will tell you how you can make money on this website. Now, to all the writers here, click on the button that says Writers Benefits. If you are scrolling through this website with your phone, click on the three dash button on the phone Chrome browser and click Desktop Sites. When you do this, you will see Writers Benefit at the top of the screen. Click on that and then you can click on the Writer's Reward. You will then see the guideline that says when a writer signed a book with this website, the writer gets $100, and when the writer continues to update this book every day of the month throughout the whole calendar month, the writer gets $150. Also, when the writer finishes this book, you get a completion bonus from $250 depending on the word count, right? But these are just the guaranteed payment. There is no day you update your book daily throughout the whole calendar month that you will not get new readers who will pay to read your book. If you are writing this very interesting novel, your book will make such beautiful income per month. Now, what if the income from your book is $1,000 in a month plus all these guaranteed payments I stated above? Can you guess how much you can earn per month, or do you think this is not possible? I personally know a few writers who earn $5,000 per month from this platform. So as a writer, how do you get started on this website? Here are the things you must do. Number 1, write in any of these genres: billionaire romance, werewolf romance, son-in-law, and so on. Number 2, write out your outline and keep it safe. You will need it if you are applying for a contract. If you do not know how to write an outline, comment it in the comment section and I will make another video on how to write an outline. Number 3, write up to 5,000 words. Number 4, go to canva.com and design a very good looking book cover. Make sure your cover is very good looking because people really judge a book by its cover. Now, the last step is upload 5,000 words in good novel and apply for a contract. When you apply for a contract, it takes 5 working days to 30 days to give you a feedback, so kindly wait patiently. Now, if your book is good enough, they will give you a contract and you can get to start updating every day of the month. If you want me to mentor you privately on this, I will be happy to do that. Just contact me on Telegram. My username is in the video description and I will help you get started with this platform. So if you are not a writer, how do you earn from this website? It is quite simple. You will employ those who are ready to write for you. This is called ghostwriting. Now go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for ghost writers. For example, I am in Fiverr right now and I'm going to search for ghost writers. You can see through this search button that ghost writers are very affordable on Fiverr and they can help you get started with your writing career. With this, you get to be an author of a book and you can earn as much as you can using this platform. If you gain value from this video, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday.